Hey everybody! Today we'll be learning how to make a left side menu. So first you would create your first HTML page, as you can see right here, and then you would create your first CSS page. So first you would just type in your basic information, your .html1, your HTML language, which is English, then we create our head. So first you would do your meta charset UTF-8, and then you would create your link rel sheet. And you want to type in style sheet href 1CSS. This href links you to this. So all that we put on this page, on our CSS page, we'll be able to see on our actual website. So then you create your title, and your title would go here, and then that's it for our head. And next we create our body. So we want to create our navigation system. So first you're gonna do LIA href, and then this is where you would type your first subject. So subject 1, and then right here we're gonna do the same thing. As you can see, it already shows up right there. It will not for y'all until we create our CSS page. And then we're just going to do the same thing for your subject 2. Okay. And with our subject 3. These hrefs create our navigation system right here, which I'll show y'all in the CSS page. Next, we're going to move on to our main. So we have H1 ID, and then you're going to do the same thing, subject 1. This will make it actually show up on our website over here. And just move on with all your subjects. And then you finish out with your main, body, and HTML. Now we're going to move on to our CSS page. So this nav ul will be able to create it like this. That way you don't see the bullet points. And then our nav creates this background color right here. You can create whatever color you would like. Then we're going to move on to nav A. So we have text decoration, none, display, block, background color, which are these background colors, the aqua color. And then we have line height 100. And you can see what happens when I change it. So that's why we create ours to be 100. That way it just looks better. And then border radius, same thing. If we change it, it just creates different things. Okay, and then text align centered, that way it just shows up in the middle. Next we have our nav A hover, and I chose my background color just to be blue, just so it's all blues, but you can create whatever you would like. Next we have our nav, the position is fixed, top 0, and you can see what happens if we change it. That way it just looks nicer put together. Same thing with height and left and width. Next we have our main. So our main left is 151 pixels. That way these subjects on our actual site, our headers, are shown right of the menu. And once again, you can change this to be however you would like. A lot of the line heights and text align are all up to your own opinions. So thank you for joining me. Bye.